So before I get asked, I thought I would go ahead and make a video on how to thicken fonts in the Starcraft Create software. A lot of people like to use the Magnolia Sky Font, but the issue is that they're so thin in places that they pull up. Or, you know, they don't last long on a project, like if you're using it on a tumbler and you're not using epoxy over top of it, or you use it for like a car decal and it's in the elements. So a way to fix that is, first of all, when you type it out, you want your letters to be kind of close together. They don't exactly have to be touching. In fact, I think this is okay. And then what I'm going to do is go to Path, Offset Path. And then let me zoom in here so you can see. Path, Offset Path. It's going to put a path around it, and it's going to make it that much thicker. So it's a 0.040 is what I have for this one. So if I go ahead and choose OK, then you'll see that it made it that much thicker, and that's going to cut a lot better, and it's going to have more adhesive to it to stay adhered. Now I probably could have done 50. I'm not sure. That may not look too good, but let's try it. We'll just go to 0.050 and see what that looks like. And that looks okay. So much thicker, more adhesive, gonna stay stuck better. All right, so these obviously aren't connected right, and I don't really care for the way that's connected. It kind of has a dip in it right here. So what I'm going to do is select it and right click and ungroup, and then I'm going to select this Y. I'm going to come over to my position and size, and I'm going to just nudge that to the right a little bit, and I kind of like that better. And then my A needs to come over, so I'll go ahead and use the nudge for that. Then I can select it all. Now I have two choices. I can come to the style panel and I can weld it, which is going to make the cut lines continuous around. It's not going to cut into these letters, but you can see the gray here where your letters are actually still there. They haven't disappeared like they do if you union it together. So you can use that, or if you know that you're never going to want this, you know, unwelded again, then you can just go ahead and do path union. So that's how you can thicken fonts in the Starcraft Create. Thanks for watching.